Hey guys, Francisco here with West Valley Masonry. Just wanted to share a quick short clip of a demolition that we did in Ciro, Moraga, California, 10 minutes away from Oakland. I just wanted to show how we demolish concrete and how we haul it away. We serve the East and South Bay, and we actually sell the Central Valley, Tracy areas and surroundings. We serve all these areas. Without further ado, I'll take you to the clip. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, we're done. We wrapped up. We completed another project. Good to go. This project took a little longer than what I was expecting, but at the end we were able to finish without any problems. We provided a great service. Customer is very happy, and just want to show how we do our demo jobs, and how we start and how we finish. And I hope you find this video interesting. And please remember, like, dislike, I don't care, I have thick skin. Let me know. Please subscribe if you like this video. We'll see you on the next one.